Welcome, dear friends. After heavy flood relief works, I am back here again to upload a technical video after 4 months. So today in today's video we will learn how to fix MS Word huge gaps which cannot be fixed with backspace or del. At the same time, if you use backspace or del, so after reversing the command, it goes back to the same area and huge gaps looks odd. So how we will fix it? There are three ways we can fix it. Let's go to the screen without wasting further time. Now MS Word is open and you can see that huge gaps are available. So by the first method we will check it how we can fix it. You can also read it, because now let's press del. So each and every word will touch another one, and if I undo or give it space, so it will create huge space once again. So place your cursor at the end of the paragraph and press enter, so you will remove it or you will fix it. If this method doesn't work, in step 2 what we will do, this is a proper way how we could solve it. So go to file, option, advanced, and now we will go to the extreme end, which is lower end, layout options, and tick mark don't expand character spaces on line that ends with shift plus return. So make a tick mark on it and press OK. You can see that it is fixed and now it will not show odd. In case if these two options doesn't work, so we have another way which is a little out of the way. So let me remove and bring it back to the same position, and we will use the third method. We will type a character like 0, XYZ, whatever you like, and we will type until it goes to the area where it looks fit. But you can't leave it unattended, because 0 will come out of print. So we will select all the character and go to font. Give it white color if you are using black and white, or whatever the color is your background. So you can see that below area is not selected and upper area is having 0, but it's white color. So that is background color, it's invisible. Now let's make it again invisible. Let's check print preview, either it will come in print or not. So we can see that it will not be printed. To bring it back, so you can select the area or you can select all and re-change the color. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.